Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to rewind videos on YouTube. Stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to easily go back and rewatch your favorite moments. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile device and make sure you have the latest version of the app installed for the best experience. Now choose any video you want to watch. This trick works for both shorts and regular videos, whether you are watching in small mode or full screen. Now once you play the video, at the bottom of your screen, you will see the video's timeline with a red little dot that shows your current position. To rewind, simply tap and hold the red dot, then you can drag it backward along the timeline. Now for more precise control, keep your finger on the red dot and swipe it upward. This will give you a zoomed in view of the timeline, allowing you to move left or right with more accuracy. You will see a preview of the exact moment you are rewinding to. And once you find the exact spot you want to start watching again, just release the dot and hit play. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.